Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve a nice geometry problem, and the statement of the question is like if area of triangle ABD and ADE are 6 and 2, then find the area of triangle ABC. So here at first, this look quite tricky in order to find the area of triangle ABC, but when we try to calculate it, it becomes more simpler. In fact, if we assume the area of triangle EDC as X, that means the area of three triangles that included in triangle ABC are 6, 2, and X. So with the help of the areas of these three triangles, we can find the area of triangle ABC. So very first, if we consider the side length BD as A and side length AB as B, so the area of triangle ABD can be written as area of area of triangle ABD is equal to 1 by 2 base, that is BD, multiplication height, that is AB. So it can be written as 1 by 2 times BD, that is small a, and AB, that is small b. And it is also given that area of triangle ABD is 6. So from here we can conclude that AB is equal to 12. So let's call it equation number 1. Similarly, area of triangle ADE can be written as area of triangle ADE, that will be 1 by 2, and base, that is DE, and height. So here we have to find the height of this triangle ADE. So in order to find the height of triangle ADE, we can draw a straight line that is parallel to side BC like this. At the same time, we drop a perpendicular from DE to this straight line that is parallel to BC like this. So from here, we have the point of intersection of these two lines as F. So from here, we can find the height of triangle ADE in order to find the area of triangle ADE. So if side BD is a unit and AF is parallel to BC, that means AF will also be a unit of length. So from here, we have base DE. So if we call it as C, so in triangle ADE, the base is C and height is A. So it can be written as area of triangle AD is equal to 1 by 2 times DE times AF. So if we put all the values here, so it can be written as 1 by 2 times DE, that is C, and AF, that is A. And it is given the area of triangle ADE is 2 unit. So from here we can have CA is equal to 4. And let's call it equation number 2. So if we divide equation number 1 by equation number 2, so from here we can have AB divided by CA equal to 12 divided by 4. So after simplification, we will have B divided by C is equal to 3 divided by 1. Let's call it equation number 3. And further, in order to find the area of triangle ABC, we will be using the conditions of similar triangles. In fact, if we look at these two triangles, like triangle ABC and triangle EDC. So, in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle B and angle D both are 90-degree, and angle C is common. So, angle E will be equal to angle BAC, in fact, angle A. That means triangle ABC and triangle EDC both are similar triangles. So triangle ABC and triangle EDC both are similar triangles. That means from here we can conclude that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle EDC will be equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. So in order to find the corresponding sides, if we take sides AB and ED, so it can be written as AB square divided by ED square. So from here, we can conclude that area of triangle A, B, and C is 6 plus 2 plus x. So area of triangle ABC can be written as 6 plus 2 plus x, and area of triangle EDC is x. And further, AB can be written as small b and DE can be written as small c. So the ratio AB square and ED square can be written as BC square divided by CE square. After simplification, we will have 8 plus x divided by x on left hand side, and on right hand side we will have b divided by c raised to 2. So further we will have 8 plus x divided by x is equal to b divided by c is nothing but 3 divided by 1. In fact 3. So it can be written as 3 square. So further we can have 8 plus x is equal to 9x. Further it can be written as 8x is equal to 8. That means x will be equal to 1. So with this manner, we have the area of a smaller triangle EDC, that is nothing but 1 unit. So the area of triangle ABC can be given as, so the area of triangle ABC will be equal to 6 plus 2 plus 1, that is 9, and which is the answer of this question. So I hope you enjoyed the solution and the manner we discuss it. So please like the video and share it with your friends who loves to solve mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And thanks a lot.